In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your first Hello World program. So let's say you have some requirements given by the user to create Hello World a program and display it on the terminal. And so let's do that. To do that, we need to print Hello World. Hello World. So you can see here we already have the using this method, the print method, we're able to display the hello world or in here. So let's say we need to modify this one instead of just using the print directly. You can say message is equals to hello world. So we can call this message inside our print method and say print message will definitely give the same run it hello world. Instead of just add the coordinates, you can let the user say input message. You can use the input function, say enter your welcome message. So we just have to let the user add input it. So once we run it, and then you can say hello world. Okay, as you can see here, it's already playing say hello world. So the next thing we can do, we can also have instead of also include the name, the first name, you can do it, say it goes to input, enter your first name. So here we need to message you can say here is equals to concate these two message and then first name then run it into the string and the welcome message hello, say John, hello John, you see. So here you need to use the S string. So the F string here, it allows you to concatenate two the first name, two strings, the first name and the last name. You can also have anything else inside it. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.